Hello beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the Valencia Gio peeling gel. I went ahead and bought this product to help me improve my skin. Many of you probably have already seen me without any makeup in my other videos, and you can see that I do have some kind of skin problem. You can see that I have some freckles, dark circles, and I do have some red areas in my face. And you know, it just doesn't look pretty for me. Every time I have to see myself in the mirror, I'm like, is there anything that can actually help me improve my skin? So I went on the hunt for a Korean product because, as you guys already know, Korean products are very good for skincare. So I came across this product at the Korean store. It cost me only $15, and the lady who sold it to me said that it would help me improve those areas that were my concern, which are my freckles, my dark circles, my areas that have like redness, and my oils, if I had a very oily skin, if I have pimples and stuff like that. That I don't break out that much, but I do tend to have one pimple here and there. So I went ahead and bought this because she said that by buying this, obviously it was going to remove all the dead skin. That's the main purpose of this peeling gel, is to remove the dead skin of your face, and therefore it's going to improve, you know, your dark circles, your freckles, and the areas that you have redness, and also if you have any pimples, because it's going to extract all those extra oils that you have. So I paid $15 for this item. She said that I should see the improvement within a month and a half. I've been using it for almost a month and a half, and my experience using for a month and a half this product is that it has somehow improved my skin. In regards to my freckles, it has kind of diminished the color of the freckles, but the areas that I have redness, those haven't improved. They still have remained the same. It does have improved my oils in my skin, and also some of the pimples that I used to have, like tiny little pimples. I see that those have kind of disappeared already. So it's because, you know, it removes all the dead skin and it extracts some of the oils, so therefore you end up like getting rid of those pimples or little pimples that, you know, are about to come out. So in that regard, it has also helped me. Another thing that it has actually helped me is in having a very soft skin. My skin, I have seen it that it has completely improved, the texture of it. Now, before, when I used to apply my makeup, I didn't really used to like how my makeup will look, because it will look too dry, and not only dry but kind of bumpy. But now, since I've been using this product, I see that every time now I apply my makeup, I look like flawless. At least into my eyes, I can see that I like the makeup now, how it ends up, you know, my finishing makeup. I like it because my makeup looks very soft, like almost like a baby. But I'm not sure if you guys can see that it looks very nice for me, flawless, shiny, very soft. And before, I used to like apply makeup and my makeup wouldn't look like this. It wouldn't look like shiny, flawless. It would look kind of like dry, bumpy, and you could see some like little pimples or bumps in there, and that was the oils that I had extra. And since this thing removes the oils, now you can see that my makeup looks uniform and looks so soft. So in that, it has helped me so much. Also, my skin is more soft, so I do end up liking this product. I just wish that it would actually help me get rid of my freckles, some of my dark circles, and actually the red areas in my face. But overall, I am very happy with the fact that it has actually softened my skin. Then now I like how my makeup ends up looking after I am done applying everything, as you can see, and that it has diminished somehow my freckles. Now, going into how you use this product. The way how you will use this product is only once a week. Maximum is twice a week. And the reason being is because, like I said earlier, this thing will actually remove your dead skin. So if you end up like using this daily, what you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up irritating your skin. So you don't want to do that. You're supposed to only use it once a week and maximum twice a week. Okay? And then you will be able to see immediately after you use it for the first time, once you rinse your face, that your face feels so fresh. And if you were to apply any makeup, you will see how your face, your makeup application will end up looking completely different how it was before you actually used this product. So you're supposed to only use it like I said, only once a week. You're supposed to then, after you apply it in your face, you know, and remove all the dead skin, rinse your face with lukewarm water, and then obviously clean your face, dry your face, and then apply any toner or any moisturizer that you have, so that way you can hydrate your skin. And yeah, and you're supposed to be use it like that. I have also made a video that I'll be placing right here, probably as I'm talking, so you guys can see exactly how this little cream actually removes all the skin from your face. Also, you only use a very tiny bit, okay? You don't need a lot, you just use a tiny bit. Another thing that I want you to know, the way how this thing works is that if you have a lot of dead skin, when you use a little tiny bit of it and you apply it, it's gonna bring a lot of dirt. The stuff that you're gonna see being removed in your face is gonna look brown and dirty. But if you don't have any dead skin, the stuff that you see coming out of your face is gonna be completely white. Because this thing, let me just show you a little bit, it's like this, okay? It's a little cream like this. So if I was to move it, those little white things that end up coming out, I don't know if you guys can see those little white things, okay? That is just the product itself. So it, you know, right now you can see this one is dirty. I don't know if you guys can see, because I have makeup in my fingers, so I removed the makeup that was there in my hands, in my fingers, okay? But if you don't have anything that this product needs to remove, like the skin or any dirt underneath your skin, then this stuff that you see here, I don't know what to call it, is actually gonna be white. I don't know, let me show you. I don't know if you can tell there that kind of like dirt or thing that I remove, it has color and it's dirty, and that's because the makeup, all of this is the makeup that I had, because I normally use my hands to apply my makeup. So that's the dirt that I actually removed and extracted from my fingers that was stuck here, even though I wash my hands with soap, okay? So the same thing happens with your face. So if you don't have nothing, you know, no dead skin, no dirt, no nothing, then this stuff that is dirty here is gonna be completely white, and that's how you know that your face is completely clean. There's nothing else to remove, that this thing has done its job. So basically, my review on this product, I do like it, I do recommend it, and if you end up wanting to actually buy this product or use it, once again, I do recommend for you guys to first test it on your hand, okay? Because you want to first make sure you don't have any allergic reaction. That's what I did before I used this, because this is the first time I'm actually trying a product like this to help me, you know, with my skin. And I normally try to use natural stuff, and because I don't like to put any chemicals into my face. And that's what I did. I first tried it in my hand, and after trying it in my hand, seeing that I didn't have any allergic reaction, then I went ahead and used it on my face. So I recommend you guys to actually do that before applying this into your face. So for me, so far, I have liked it. That's what it has done for me. I hope that if you guys end up like wanting to try this product, or if you were looking to try this product, that this video was actually useful to you guys. And if you actually like this review and this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends if your friends have this kind of problem in their skin and they want to go ahead and, you know, try a product that can help them with their skin. Or if they're looking to know a little bit about this product, how it actually works, then hopefully, you know, this video will help. So I would appreciate if you go ahead and share the video. And if you like this type of content, remember, I'm not just uploading videos to review products like this. I also upload videos with tutorials, phone applications that actually teach you how to make money, save money, as well as dream videos, DIYs, makeup review products, and tutorials, and a bunch of other stuff. And so if this video was useful, once again, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Follow me in my other social medias that I have, which is my Instagram at Chica View, and I Soy Chica View. I have 2 Instagrams. The one that Soy Chica View is where you can see me uploading pictures actually of me with makeup and product that I currently have in my and my drawers that I'm wearing and I'm reviewing, and at Chica View you'll be able to see some of the products that I'm currently selling on my website. So I have a website. If you ladies like jewelry, then you can go ahead and check out my website, which is called www.chicaview.com, and there you'll be able to find this jewelry. Here, this earring that I have, and this necklace in there. This one costs $9.90. This one costs $12.90 if I'm not wrong, or $13.90, I can't remember. But anyways, I have a website where I actually sell jewelry. So if you like jewelry, I have very inexpensive jewelry there on my website, and you can go ahead and just check it out if you're into jewelry. I also will be uploading jewelry that I actually make myself with my own hands. I'll be uploading soon pictures to my Instagram about that jewelry that I currently make. But anyways, enough talking. I hope this video was very useful, and once again, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends again, and leave any comment below if you have any question regarding to this product or anything. And I hope to see you into my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.